Dad is not answering his phone.
Where did Dad go?
I do not know, sweetheart. Dad always sits here.
Yes, he does.
Something feels strange today. Tom, look at this.
Oh,
What did Dad send? He sent only one picture. This is the room in Dad's picture.
why was Dad here?
Maybe he left us a clue.
Grandma, I found something.
What did you find?
A little box beside the crib.
Wait, Lily.
Why should I wait?
Your dad may want us to wait. Dad, where were you?
I had to finish something.
We were worried about you. What are you hiding?
I cannot tell you yet.
That sounds very strange.
Dad, what is in that box?
It is a surprise for the family.
I really want to know. Dad, who is at the door?
I was hoping they would come.
Who were you waiting for?
Someone important.
It moved again. Maybe Dad put something inside. Then let's open it slowly.
Grandma, we found this under the crib.
That box looks familiar.
Do you know what is inside?
Grandma, why is it familiar? Your dad showed me one like it. When did he show it to you? What did Dad show you? He showed me a box yesterday. Why didn't he tell me? Daniel, what are you hiding?
I wanted it to be a surprise.
Then why did you disappear?
I wanted to prepare something special
Special for whom?
for you and our baby.
Dad, what is behind those boxes?
That is part of my surprise.
Can I see it? Why is everyone hiding things?
Sometimes surprises need patience.
I am not very patient. Doctor, is everything okay? Yes, everything looks fine. That makes me feel better.
Thank you for helping me.
Your family will love the surprise.
I hope they do.
Dad, what are you hiding?
Nothing you need to see yet.
That makes me even more curious.
Is that the surprise?
You will find out soon.
You are making me very curious.
Look at this big heart. Dad made it for the baby. Then the surprise must be very special.
You finally finished everything.
Yes, everything is ready.
Then tonight will be unforgettable.
Mom, why is everyone acting strange? I think Dad has a surprise. I cannot wait anymore. Dad, is the surprise ready?
Almost, but you must wait.
That is so difficult.
Daniel, you did all this?
I wanted to make you smile.
You certainly did.
What is that behind the table? I think that is the big surprise. Should we uncover it?
Wait, sweetheart.
But I want to see it.
Your dad will reveal it soon.
Are you ready?
I think I am.
Then let's reveal it. This is for our little baby.
Daniel, it is beautiful.
I wanted you to remember this day.
Wow, this is for the baby. It is so beautiful. Dad kept this secret.
I brought something for the baby.
Thank you, Mom.
It comes with all my love.
Thank you for helping me prepare this.
Your family will remember this moment.
That is exactly what I wanted.
Mom, what is in the letter? It is a message for our family. Can we read it together?
Dad wrote something beautiful.
What did he say?
He said our family is growing with love.
Dad, did you plan everything?
I planned it for many days.
You really love our family. Grandma, Dad planned this for everyone.
He wanted everyone to feel special.
I think this is the best surprise ever.
Is everything ready now?
Yes, everything is ready.
Then it is time to go home. There is one more thing.
Another surprise?
The biggest one.
What is inside?
Something from our first family day.
I remember that day.
Grandma, why is it so important? Because it reminds us where our family began. Then we should keep it forever. Mom, will our family change? It will grow even stronger. I am ready for that. Is that the last piece?
Yes, now everything is complete.
Oh,
Then everyone will be surprised.
Everything looks perfect. Your family deserves a beautiful memory. I will never forget this day.
we need one more surprise. Our family card. Mom will love it.
You are doing well. That makes me very happy.
Grandma, I made this for Mom.
She will treasure it.
I hope she likes it. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Get set.
Mom, look at all the lights. It is beautiful. I knew something special was coming.
This is our family memory.
I will treasure it forever.
That is all I wanted.
Mom, we made this for you. We made it together. It is our gift for the baby.
This means so much to me. Your children love you deeply, and I love them even more. This is the final part.
Then we are ready.
Make this moment unforgettable.
This one is especially for you.
You have surprised me so much.
But there is one more reason.
Mom, what did you find? A promise from Dad.
What kind of promise? You promised to stay beside us.
Every day, for all of us.
That is the best gift.
Grandma, everyone looks happy. Because love brought everyone together. I want to remember tonight forever.
Now everyone knows the truth.
And they will remember this night.
Because family is our greatest gift. To our growing family,
To love and happiness.
and to our new beginning.
I wish our family stays happy. I wish our baby grows with love. That is a perfect wish.
May your home always be full of love. Thank you, Mom. And may this little one bring you more joy. Take good care of your family.
I always will.
Then you have everything you need.
Mom, this picture will be special. Yes, because it captures our happiness. And the baby will see it one day.
Ready for our family picture?
Ready.
This memory will stay with us forever.
Dad, I want to stand next to you.
Of course, buddy.
This is my favorite family day.
What are you hiding?
Oh, a little gift for the baby.
That is very thoughtful.
Mom, everything is ready. Yes, sweetheart. Our family is going to remember this.
I thought tonight was about the baby.
It is about all of us.
Then this is our happiest memory. You created a beautiful memory,
I wanted everyone to feel loved.
and everyone can feel it.
We should always help our family. Yes, especially when someone needs us. We promise.
Take this happiness home with you. I will. Your family has a beautiful future ahead.
This is only the beginning.
Our best days are still ahead.
Together, we will make them special.
Remember this night, my dear. I will remember it forever, because love made it unforgettable.
Thank you for watching our story. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. See you in our next English story.
Hi everyone, moral of the story, family is the greatest gift in life. When we stay together, support each other and share love, even difficult moments become beautiful memories. Love, trust and family togetherness make every new beginning special. Thanks for watching.